Are you a cleaner looking for more cleaning jobs? If so, Diamond Home Support would like to hear from you. We currently need cleaners across many parts of the UK for customers who are waiting. You need to be a self-employed cleaner or someone who is willing to work on a self-employed basis. Be a driver with a car. Have excellent interpersonal skills. And be reliable. Our work is flexible, so you can fit it around your other commitments. All of the work offered to you will be in your local area. And hourly rates are very competitive. If you are interested, please apply online now. We'd love to hear from you.